Hello guys, today we are making authentic Ghana dry Bofrot. So let's get into the video. In my bowl, I will add all my dry ingredients and I will also leave the measurements of them in the description box below. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for stopping by and please consider subscribing to the channel and also like and share this video. At this point, I will mix everything together, then go ahead to also add my butter and my wet ingredient. I will mix them together to form a very beautiful dough. So please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I added my pineapple flavor of camera and you can also use any flavor of your choice for this recipe. So after that, our dough is beautifully formed. So I'll just spread some flour on my work surface, then I'll just knead this for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so after kneading the dough, this is how it looks now, and I'll just take it and put it in my grease bowl and I'll let it rest for some minutes. After 20 minutes, this is how it looks now, and it has really softened up too. So I'll just knead it for just a few minutes, then roll it into the desirable size and shape that I prefer. And if you are still watching up to this time, you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel while you hit that bell to get notified each time I post a video. And also share this video to reach more audience. So please stay tuned. At this point, it's time to mold the dough into the usual round shape that we all know, and this is how I always do mine. And after that, I will place it in my tray, which I have sprinkled some flour just to prevent it from sticking. So this is how I always do it, and I will do it again for you guys to see. This is very simple and easy to mold, and after that I will let it rest for 1 to 2 hours and let it double in size before frying. After an hour of double in size, I'll just start with the frying, and I'm doing this on a medium heat. The oil is not too hot, so I'll just be turning it from time to time just to achieve that perfect golden brown color. The Bofrot is well fried, and I'll just take it off from the oil My kitchen is really smelling so amazing, and look how beautiful it turned out to be. So this is how I will do it and fry all the Bofrot. Okay, fam, after frying all the Bofrot, this is the final outcome. This looks so beautiful, yummy, and delicious. And I hope you give this recipe a try. This is so simple to make. Thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up. And also, let's see how soft our dry Bofrot is. Just look at this guy. This is so soft. So then, see you guys in my next video. Peace be with you all. Bye.